Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to find iPhone if lost and turned off. If the video is useful for you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you! Okay, the first step is to go to any other device and then go to the browser. Here, we will search for Find My iPhone. And click here. Sign in. Here, we will put the email or number with which we had linked our iPhone. Then click on your iPhone, and we will be able to locate it. And we will also have two options. The first one is to block it completely. That is to say that nobody can access it. Simply click on Lose. The other option is to play a sound to locate it faster. That's all. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.